We also went further to look at the working environment in Craven Corporation Central Technology. And we saw that they had several different working environments which they were operating in, and that was not a good thing in their project initiation. We realized that there was some form of politicizing among the various groups. That was in the example is in the case of Pearls Mistrust for Eberhard. Because of the various division of groups in the corporation, there seems to be some form of politicizing among the groups. This is evident, like I said, in Pearls' case, when Quails expressed no sign of confidence and trust in Eberhard, that is the Northeastern manager, during their meeting in July 2011. Now we also have here, under the economical environment, now we realize that reports to the states containing errors can cause fining of the company or bad image. Why are we saying so? This is because required reports to the Commodity Exchange and to the state and federal regulators, which has been going out containing known errors due to unreconciled records, can lead to the suspension or huge fine of the corporation. This can result in the corporation going bankrupt and can bring the whole project that we are embarking on to a halt. Because if the company should be fined a very huge amount, definitely there will be lack of finance. And when the project which we are embarking on is not financed, that means we cannot continue with the project. And at the social environment, we realize that inadequate involvement of customers in the project development. Customer involvement has not been considered in the design and implementation of the CTS project. Various means, such as questionnaires, interviews, could have been used to incorporate the customer's view, ideas, and demands in the project development. As a result of this, they were not able to meet the required standard and specification of their customer. This is because if a customer desires maybe that when he comes to request for a program or something, he should go through this and that and that. So if the customer goes through a different means apart from his requirement, then he or she will be dissatisfied. So in order to meet this, we incorporated the customer's idea, their views, and their thoughts into the project. Under the technological environment, we realized that there was uncertainty of the type of technology and the number of programs to be incorporated in the project. Now, the existing system, Boston system already was out of order. So, in order to correct this, Packard, the programming leader, was of the view, like I said earlier, that the programming, the entire program needs to be scrapped. Now, he was therefore given the go-ahead to do so. Now, after giving the go-ahead, he also was not certain on the number of programs that he himself should incorporate in the program. So this kept the project from delaying. That the project keeps on changing, the program, keeps on changing from time to time, and the whole entire project was also being carried forward day in, day out. That led to the failure of the project. Now, we also listed some practical steps that was taken in order to bring the project back on course. Now, we structures put in place in allocating responsibilities. Over here, we put in place a structure that allocated to the various staff their duties and responsibilities, stating clearly what they are to do at a particular time so that the project will be a success. Now, we also make sure that there was maximum support from the top management. In every project, if the top management is not committed or is not in support of the project, there is no way the project is going to succeed. This is because they are responsible for the finance, they are responsible for signatories and other things that needs to be done. So if they are not in support of the program, then I'm sorry, the project is bound to fail. Support of personnel with adequate resources. Also, personnel entrusted with various tasks were not provided with adequate support and resources, as well as support from the top management, and therefore making it very difficult for that person to produce the requisite result. Now, under the monetary aspect, we make sure that concrete decisions was taken before financing of a project. Now, if a project is to be taken, then it means that that project has been taken through scrutinization, has been approved, and there is a certainty that the project is going to be successful before we finance the project. So we don't just go about financing any project at any given time. And there was a need for a proper budget allocation which must be adhered to. So now, if a project is to be embarked on, then there should be a budget for the project as to the amount that should be involved, the allocation of the funds, and the release of the funds also should be sought to be made sure that all these things are achieved. And on the technological aspect, there was the certainty on the number of programs or modules to be used. We also made sure that the number of programs that needed to be used was certain before any other thing was done. In designing of the program, we also incorporated or sought the customer's view in order to satisfy their interest. That is, we also made sure that the customers' ideas and views were incorporated in the program in order to meet their demands and their satisfaction. Lack of another information, lack of cohesion between the various branches led also to the poor information flow. It was also understood that there was no proper cohesion between the various divisions of the corporation, and that made information flow among the various staff very difficult. As a result, there were people who were not much informed or knowledgeable on the project, entire project. Inadequate communication systems and thus poor feedback system. There was also very poor communication between the various systems, the impact of commitment, coordination, and communication on or in Craven Corporation Limited. Looking at commitment must be from the top management down and across all management levels. Management, we know, are responsible for providing the key resources for the people to work in terms of money, time, and technology. Now, it's important for all users to be involved and affected by a project to become committed. A factor demonstrating commitment from senior management in the allocation of resources in terms of people, money, time, information, and technology. The management team are generally the people who control the financing of projects, that their level of support can dictate the success or failure of any project. A project must be seen as worthwhile and relevant with substantial benefit to all concerned. Thus, it becomes essential to all interested parties. It becomes essential that all interested parties be taken on board from the outset. The resources of all users will be necessary in planning, testing, and implementation stages of any information systems project like we have here, the Craven Corporation Limited. Gaining their dedication and joint ownership of the project ensures that they are equally responsible for its eventual success or failure. Looking at coordination also,